ebholeni uzoretire ufuna ukuzwa lokho nje mhlambe.
No, ebholeni bese I did not retire. I'm a player coach, if you can name it. But I did introduce indaba yokuthi ngiyaretire ebholeni kuyigagasi ukuthi uSimson noma iMakapu ngabacela uku-introduce ukubika ukuthi sengifocuse more on my coaching career.
Okay.
Which automatically mawade umdlali it's very good ukuthi uqhubeke nebhola uqhubeka ukuthi ucoach. So I've never left football, just I'm on the other side of the field singekulayini manje. I'm showing them abafana abancane ukuthi this is how it's done. Team engicoachayo umngeni Midlands sidlala ku Super League. So it's a matter of a misunderstanding mhlawumbe laba bathi ngaretire. No, it was just a change of positions from being a player to being a coach, which I'm in the process of doing my practicals by coaching ekhaya. Hopefully and God willingly khona team engidlala kona mhlawumbe yongilanda ngiyocoacha izingane zakhona.